What's good, YouTube? It's your boy CrayOn, and I'm back with another video. Yeah, it's a Wednesday, but today we're actually taking a pretty different route. Being a village boy and being a YouTuber, two very weird things to put together. So my dad decided to wake me up extremely early today, as you can see by all the crust. Ramasim.
Nigga wanna see me fall. Stephen Curry, how I ball. Gosha garments and a white 3 on my body. I'm an icon.
So like my dad has these weird wires that he uses to find water. Yeah.
Money, power, money, power, money, power, bitches devour. Money, power, bitches devour. Money.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy CrayOn, and I'm back with another video. It's not a Wednesday. Today's actually a Thursday because things happen and it's life. But yeah, today I actually want to talk about potential ideas for people that want to start YouTube channels, like types of channels you could start. And I'm trying to point this towards the male-sided gender because, as you guys have probably seen on Facebook and or Twitter, I've come to the realization that Botswana YouTube is kind of a very female-dominated place. And this being, we're gonna end up watching a lot more makeup videos than the average person would like to watch, like as a guy and you want to watch just Botswana content and refresh yourself with local faces, people that you can actually relate to. You're gonna end up watching a lot of makeup videos. So I just wanted to give people that want to start YouTube channels a couple ideas of channels to start, so that we can refrain from making a couple more makeup channels than they are already there. And guys, if you ever need a face beat, like hit me up. I can contour your face and like do the whole eyebrows with the baby hair gel. Let's get it. Let's get it started. The first channel you could potentially try and start is a tech channel. I know, tech channel, really expensive. First thing that comes into head. But you don't really need to be buying stuff all the time. Like you could start off with like reviewing your PC or reviewing your mouse or reviewing your phone or reviewing something that you have on you, and eventually just develop as time goes on and start reviewing things that you acquire. Yes, I'm trying to keep these as short as possible because this is like my 5th take and I have been, mumbling for a very long time. Okay, if you catch me looking down, the paper's way down there, but let me move it. Right, now it's down there. The second channel you can try and start is like a fitness channel. Maybe you're a person like who's really into this fitness and lifestyle thing and keeping healthy. That's actually a really dope idea to start a channel as a guy, because like you can do like workout plans, you can do like just talk about how to take care of yourself, exercise routines, stuff like that, and just keep it going, just keep it going, flow with it. I'm not really into that type of stuff, as you can tell by me, but hey, if you're into that type of stuff, that's a potential channel you could try start. On to the next one. If you're a nigga and you enjoy cooking, that's another idea. Like you could start a cooking channel. You could you get into the kitchen with your camera and you start cooking for the people. And then you do like the whole presentation thing about Tolala the fam. Eventually it'll grow on to a thing. You could start a cooking channel. You can also do a vlog channel. Just vlog about your daily life. I don't mind watching somebody go to school, go to the shops, go back home, go to Kasane, go back, I don't mind watching that. That's a really dope channel idea. Another channel you can try do is a reaction video channel. I'm not saying go and rip off C400. If you want to do reaction videos, go and do them. But just know that there's a wide variation of reaction videos you could possibly try and do. You can do reaction videos to like series. You can do reaction videos to things like movies. Like after maybe you saw the cinema kind of years from pirating a movie on the internet, you can tell us your thoughts and your feelings on that movie. And I know there's most definitely people out there who would watch those. Somebody wants to watch a series, somebody just finished watching a series and they want to see if they missed something, they just want to talk about it with somebody else, but they're a loner. they can watch your videos on YouTube and shit like that. There's other ideas. I don't want to mumble on for too long, so let me just read through these quick fast. You can do books. You can do a book reading, I don't know, book review, whatever channel. That too. You can do a travel channel. Very difficult to do in Botswana, but like if you're a person who really frequently visits places like Botswana, Botswana, very frequently goes outside the country, you can do a travel video channel. We also have a serious shortage of like photography and videography channels in Botswana. I thought there'd be many of them since these days we have a lot of photographers and a lot of videographers. Ding! One over here. Yes. But you know, there's a serious shortage of them, and I would love to do photography and videography tutorials. It's just that the PC I'm using right now will not let me. So maybe in future, as I do improve my equipment, just like I managed to improve the sound, and in a few months I'll be improving the visuals, I'll be getting a proper camera, we'll be able to start doing these photography and videography videos. But yeah, that's another channel you could try and start, guys. Let's just try and diversify this culture that we call YouTube. Then there are design. I do those too, because you can't tie me down to a tree. I'm CrayOn, the rapper, the creative genius. Like I do everything. So leave me alone. Hey, you can do design too, like Photoshop tutorials, Illustrator tutorials, SciPaint tool. You can show people how to like get creative, because we're living in a very creative era. I don't see people these days tying themselves down to a 9-to-5. Everybody wants to use their mind. So we can try and do these things. You can do music channels, guys. Make beats. We will watch these things. Hey, I've been rambling on forever, but shout out to everybody that subscribed to my channel. We hit 300 subscribers. We're moving on forward. We're gonna get that 500. We're gonna get that 1K. And I'm really happy that you guys have decided to join me on this journey. Thank you guys for subscribing. Shout out to everybody that likes my videos. Shout out to everybody that comments in my videos, because I say all the time, we have the best comment section in Botswana, even though Malatinga Naling Kandila, my people. But yeah, big shout out to everybody on this channel. I hope we all go and get it. I hope you guys like strive to make YouTube, especially BW YouTube, a more diverse community, so that lorna khona go ipela iseng mothale go South Africa ba re does Botswana have YouTubers, and then we answer yes. Aba go search aba ithala ele all makeup videos. I thought, wow, Botswana is a country very fascinated with makeup, because this thing in turn, hey, it represents our country. I'm not even gonna lie. You can also do things like events. Go to events, cover them, ask them to let you into the VIP, and you cover the event for them as a journalist. That's me, guys. Thank you guys if you made it this far in the video. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to the people, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. CrayOn out. Cause I got the sauce, man, yo, Nisi, really. It's that jump on the jail with the hottest flow. Decrypting the bars, been an obstacle. Back with the racks, but I said that before. Oh, yeah. Me and the game is just not fair. Pull up your socks and your underwear, then call me